So this is the trail and we're gonna go all the way up there. Hey guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Today we are at Hutri Durga, also called as Uttari Betta, and this place is located about 75 kilometers from central Bangalore.
The history of this fort goes all the way back to 16th century and it was found by Kempe Gowda. After that it has changed hands through Tipu Sultan and British as well.
Yeah, and in spite of it being so old, it's quite an unexplored place. However, I think it's going to get commercialized soon enough because there are brand new railings laid out at the start of the trail, and even the steps seem to be constructed very recently.
There's a small car parking below. Before the car parking there is a road under construction which is at the beginning part of the hills.
Yeah.
And I think once the road is done there will be more crowd here.
Absolutely. So we're going to start our trail now. It's 8 o'clock in the morning right now. So join us and hopefully you enjoy this video. Old stairs, new stairs. There are markings laid out throughout the trail, so you can use them to make your way to the top. You can see the initial layout plan has been put up over here. That's where the steps are going to be carved out and constructed. And then you can see that's where we started the trail from. Hey guys, so we have reached the top of Hutri Durga Fort now. It took us about 1 hour to reach the top, and the elevation at the top is approximately 1100 meters, and when we started out it was about 900 meters.
The trail is very easy. It's around 1 kilometer long and there are stairs laid out as we have already shown you. There is one temple through midway which is Anjaneya temple, and on the top there is a Shiva temple.
Yeah, and the view from the temple is amazing. And the temple itself is very beautiful. You have a lot of place to sit there and enjoy the view as well. But make sure you walk a little further towards the left side from the temple, because there is a camping area there as well. So a lot of people actually come here and camp at the night. So if you're interested in that, you can do that as well. So when we actually started out, we saw a lot of people coming down. So I'm guessing they actually were here for the sunset. So they were actually here for the sunrise trek. So now we're gonna sit, we're gonna enjoy ourselves a bit, enjoy the view, and then explore a little bit more. From the top, you can even see Savandurga right over here. And you can check out our older video when we trekked to Savandurga by clicking the link which you see on the top right side. You can hardly hear anything, just listen to this. It's beautiful. Alright guys, we're on our way back down now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like and a comment letting me know which was your favorite moment of the video. And please do share the video with your friends and family as well. Until next time, have a good one.
ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಓಡಿಸಿದೀನಿ ನೀನು ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು